In this video, we will explore the increasing scrutiny that lawyers face, especially those working on sensitive and high-profile cases. We will delve into a particular incident, consider the legal and ethical ramifications, and offer some best practice advice. Stay tuned as we unravel these complex issues. Our agenda for today will cover an overview of the incident we are focusing on, the legal and ethical considerations tied to it, some best practice advice for lawyers in similar situations, and finally, a conclusion with our thoughts. Let's take a closer look at the incident involving the detainment of a lawyer at an airport. This lawyer had been representing a client involved in a politically charged demonstration. Upon returning from a family vacation, the lawyer was detained and questioned, which raises crucial questions about attorney-client privilege and the right to counsel. In this specific incident, a lawyer representing a client in a politically sensitive case was detained at the airport after a family vacation. The lawyer was subjected to questioning, particularly about their clients, and was asked to surrender their phone. Choosing to not comply highlights the delicate balance between national security and legal professional rights. Now let's explore the legal and ethical considerations tied to this incident. Several key principles are at play, such as attorney-client privilege, the right to counsel, and due process. These are integral to preserving the integrity and rights within the legal system. The diagram presented maps out how attorney-client privilege, the right to counsel, and due process are interlinked. It shows how breaching one can affect the others, thereby impacting the client's rights and the lawyer's duties. Let's break down some of the ethical challenges. Attorney-client privilege focuses on safeguarding the channel of communication. The right to counsel ensures that individuals have access to legal representation, unhindered. Due process acts as a guardrail against losing one's rights or property without fair procedures. Each of these elements plays a vital role in maintaining legal fairness. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Here's the question. What key principle protects confidential communications between a lawyer and their client? Is it the right to counsel, attorney-client privilege, or due process? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is attorney-client privilege. This principle is essential as it maintains the confidentiality of the communications between a lawyer and their client, ensuring that sensitive information is not disclosed. Let's talk about some best practices that lawyers should keep in mind. First, lawyers must know their rights, especially when interacting with law enforcement. Keeping detailed records of everything ensures there is a complete documentation trail if required. Finally, consulting with legal ethics experts can provide invaluable guidance during challenging scenarios. Before we conclude, it is important to state a disclaimer. This video is created solely for educational purposes and should not be considered as legal advice. Please consult with a qualified legal professional for specific advice regarding your situation. To wrap up, the incident we've discussed showcases the growing scrutiny faced by lawyers. Key legal principles like attorney-client privilege must be protected. Lawyers are advised to be aware of their rights, document all interactions thoroughly, and always consult legal experts when necessary. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video insightful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay informed.